To install the GladiATR clamp, locate your 5/16 inch hex wrench, your 2 securing screws. The clamp will fit over these 2 locating pins. If you flip the clamp over, the 2 holes that fit over the pins are oversized, and that'll give you some fine-tuning play to make sure that the clamp tip is directly over the ATR crystal. The clamp is very front heavy, so release this back pivot knob, and before you place the clamp over the locating pins, tilt the clamp back. This will prevent the clamp from falling forward and hitting into your crystal. Place the clamp over the locating screws, and you can see the play that we get. First, install the securing screws and keep them loose so we can go ahead and fine-tune the positioning. Rotate the clamp forward, secure the back pivot knob, lower the clamp tip so it's just above the crystal. Then go ahead and make sure that the clamp tip is over the crystal, and then tighten down your securing screws. And now your GladiATR is ready for use.